Hi everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 27 from Q 2013 physics paper. The question is from vector identity. The question says that if A and B are constant vectors, then the gradient of A dot B cross R is what? So we have four options, one option is right. So in order to solve this question, there are different approach, but one approach which I will follow is that triple vector product approach. To simplify this identity, triple vector product is that A, if we have three vectors A, B and C, then A dot B cross C is equal to B dot C cross A is equal to C dot A cross B. The cyclic properties, in cyclic manner we just do this triple vector product. So in our case the vector is gradient of A dot B cross R, where A and B are some constant vectors and R is position vector. So using triple vector product we can write this quantity in bracket as R dot A cross B. We just using this, we have used this in this, so we are using this, we can write that this equation can be written this way. And since dot product is commutative in nature, therefore R dot A cross B is nothing but A cross B dot R. Okay, now the R is a position vector in Cartesian coordinates, so it has three components in x, y and z direction. And let us assume that A cross B, since it is a constant vector, let us assume that is some C vector. Therefore we simplify it and write that we have to find the gradient of A cross B C dot R cross. Now C is constant vector, so we can just write it as some say C1 I cap plus C2 J cap plus C3 K cap. Now just use these two quantities in here, so we can write gradient of C dot R, so dot product, so C1 times X plus C2 times Y plus C3 times Z, just dot product. And gradient, we all know that in Cartesian coordinate can be written as J del upon del Y plus K cap del upon del Z, C1x plus C2y plus C3z. Now we just solve this. If we just solve this, then we say that del by del x operator will operate only on C1x. For rest of that it will be 0. So we'll get I del by del x of C1x, which is nothing but I C1 iota C1. This will operate on all three quantities, but only give this, and when del by del y operate on x and y, x and z, it will be 0. So the only thing which will coming here is j times C2, j times C2, and similarly we will get k times C3, del by del z of C3z. Now this is nothing but C1 I cap plus C2 j cap plus C3 k cap, or I j z cap, whatever you know, k cap. So it is nothing but original vertex C, and we know that C vector is nothing but A cross B. Therefore this identity del dot A cross B cross R is nothing but A cross B, and hence the correct answer for this question is option number B, A cross B. Thank you for watching this video.